When the character reaches red, we want two things to happen. We want the character to move back to the green block, and we want the level to switch. Let's head to the control category and find the if then block, and we can drag it anywhere. Now we want to know when the character is touching the red, so let's go to sensing, and there's this block touching color, and you can see the shape of it, it fits nicely in there. So if the character is touching the color, I'm going to switch it to red, and to make sure it's the same red, click this eyedropper and we'll find it there. So the first thing that we want to do is move it back to the green spot. So we'll drag in that block in the motion section, so it will go to that location, and under the looks we want to switch to the next backdrop. So you can see the way this block of code works is that if this statement is true, all this coding is performed. If it's not true, then that coding is not performed. Let's test it. When we press the green flag, the level switched. And if I go down to red, you can see the next level is not switching because this statement has only run once. This statement has no block above here which activates it. If we drag it here as part of this code here, so it tests it when we hit that green flag. Let's see what happens then. So again, testing it, let's go to red, nothing happens. So when we click that green flag, that statement is executed, that is executed, and this is executed. However, because it's only executed once, and the character was on green, it doesn't test it again. So what we need to do is test it all the time. So if we go to control and grab this forever loop and put it around. So what that loop does is it constantly runs because it's a loop, and this command is constantly run testing if the character is at red. So I'll put that back here because we need that activation, and let's test it now. Cool, and it switched backgrounds. Fantastic.